I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Can you speak to me at all?
Hello sir, you're right, my name's PC Palmer. You okay? That's what you're doing today?
So is everything all right? I'm quite concerned, sir. This is a secure building and you're filming it and you're filming the person.
It starts with a single loaded word. Secure. It sounds official, urgent, authoritative. But here's the reality. Calling a site secure is not the same as issuing a lawful order. Filming from a public pavement is perfectly legal. It always has been that if a location is genuinely restricted, an officer must do one of two things: cite the exact statute that applies or point to clear, lawful signage. Anything short of that is smoke and mirrors, an attempt to manufacture compliance through tone and implication rather than actual legal power. When these vague claims come without evidence, they're not about safety. They're about pressure, a calculated move to make someone doubt themselves, hesitate, and back down without ever asking the most important question. Under what law?
Can we ask what you're doing today? Or if we can help you with anything? I'll see this couple times.
Would you mind, sir? Would you mind stepping back? Stepping back, please, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty...
The next push is the verbal warning. Interfering with an officer is an offense. On paper, that statement is true. But in practice, it's missing the one thing the law actually requires: proof. Standing still on a public pavement, quietly filming, doesn't even come close to the legal definition of obstruction. For interference to exist, there must be intentional disruption of a specific police duty. Something has to be prevented, delayed, or impeded. Here, no duty was interrupted. No action was obstructed. Nothing was hindered. Without that foundation, the warning stops being about preventing interference and starts serving a different purpose altogether, creating the illusion of wrongdoing. It's a setup, not a safeguard, designed to justify escalation rather than prevent it.
Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are
Do not touch me.
You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not block me.
With a police officer. Lawful,
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that,
Well,
sir.
I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay,
so
go away now.
I'm
Go away now.
instructing you.
No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct
that
me
if
nothing.
you interfere,
I'm not talking to her.
I'm not in the
talking
lawful
to her.
execution of her duties.
Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When have I, don't lie, you're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've
and
been talking to my colleague,
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said
you
tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me
I asked
when.
you. Yes, for you
So
to
you
tell
did
her.
tell
No, for
her.
you to tell her. For you to tell her to take it off.
That's fine. Listen,
You should
I've
tell her
asked
to
you
take that
politely.
badge off.
I've asked you
I don't care
politely,
if you've asked
sir.
me politely.
I've
I don't
asked you
care about
politely.
politeness.
The camera's focus shifts, not to the building, but to the badge pinned to the officer's chest. A thin blue line design worked into a Union flag, the blue stripes cutting straight through it. At a glance, it might be dismissed as solidarity, but within policing itself, this symbol is anything but neutral. The Metropolitan Police dress code is unambiguous. No unauthorized badges, emblems, or symbols. No personal statements. No alterations to the Union flag. No exceptions for sentiment, morale, or individual interpretation. Uniforms are meant to project neutrality, professionalism, and public trust, not personal ideology. That's why this matters. This isn't about cloth or color. It's about standards. When officers selectively ignore the rules they're sworn to uphold, it sends a message that compliance is optional when authority feels secure. And in a public-facing role built entirely on legitimacy, even small breaches carry weight. Neutrality isn't cosmetic, it's foundational.
Can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. What I'm doing. Okay. I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace.
Well, no,
it's a deface the union flag. We'll get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement? Am I on a public pavement? Am I in a public pavement? Yes, you said, yeah? I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me. I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it. Get your car out the way. Get your car out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah, you're causing me alarm, harassment and distress, okay? Away.
Right, sir, listen.
No, I'm not listening to you. I don't care if you've asked me nicely. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform. Yeah, do you want proof? Let me show you proof. Okay? Let me show you proof. Look, here's your uniform. Here's what it says. Want to read it? Please don't wear badges advertising causes, beliefs or charities. They distract from your corporate identity and compromise the impartiality of the Met. That's what you're doing, and that's a charity badge, yeah? All right, now I'm asking you directly. Is that a charity badge?
Not a charity badge, no.
What is it then? What is it then? What is it?
We're not going back because I'm not having this.
Okay, let me just tell you this, yeah? We also take part in the following things. Memorial Day, Poppy Day and Remembrance Sunday or Remembrance Day. They're the only badges that you should be wearing on your uniform. Okay?
This gentleman has
legitimate reasons to be out here filming because it's in the public.
Which constitutes evidence. We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't. No, you won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
On your phone.
There's no evidence on my phone for you. No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you. No, you don't need to get close to me. Step away and stop pointing your finger. No, you won't.
In an instant, the officer leans in, finger pointed, voice sharp, and suddenly invokes Pay Section 19, claiming the power to seize the auditor's phone. But this is where the argument collapses under its own weight. Section 19 only applies when an officer has a reasonable belief that an item contains evidence of a crime, and reasonableness is not optional. Filming a public building isn't illegal. Questioning a badge isn't illegal. Standing on a public pavement exercising lawful freedoms isn't illegal. With no offense identified, no evidence exists to seize. So what's really driving the threat? Not law. Ego. This isn't policing in action. It's a pressure tactic, a display of authority meant to intimidate rather than enforce justice. When legal grounds vanish, dominance becomes the substitute.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
Sir.
All right then, well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone,
as what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what crime?
Under the Police and
of what
Criminal
crime?
Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
it's
as
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does, sir.
What's the crime?
If I believe,
what's the crime?
Well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes.
Yes,
and I will
me.
take the evidence from you.
Why? Why? What crime is it? What crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced union flag for police? What do you want? What do you want?
Then we can seize that, can't we? As evidence.
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first practical first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
The auditor calls out the obvious contradiction, questioning why he was never told he was being recorded on the officer's body-worn camera. Instead of addressing the point, she deflects, snapping back that he didn't announce his own recording. That response misses the mark entirely. His filming is open, visible, and perfectly lawful in public, with no requirement to give notice, by falling back on policy, not law. The officer effectively admits she didn't need to announce her recording at all, yet still wields that policy as a shield rather than a guide. The result is an exchange that feels dismissive and patronizing, where internal rules are used selectively to assert control. This isn't a simple misunderstanding. It's a moment where personal authority overrides legal clarity, precisely the kind of conduct public audits are meant to expose.
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building, he's filming...
My body one's cameras on.
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body worn cams. Thank you for upholding your policy.
yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right, sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming... Fidget, we talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming personal cars coming out.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing that.
My colleagues coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film his car. So stop lying. Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
When you're telling
No, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
To say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove it, and I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
You have
anything?
immediately started
Did I
filming
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I?
The tone hardens when the officer reaches for the most serious card available, terrorism. Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act 2000, police powers are clear but narrow. An officer must have reasonable suspicion, grounded in specific, articulable facts, that a person is involved in terrorism. Quietly filming a building from a public pavement does not come close to meeting that threshold. The Home Office has already spelled this out in unambiguous guidance. Filming in public is lawful, and officers cannot stop it on a whim. So the question isn't whether the law allows this escalation. It doesn't. The real question is why terrorism is invoked at all. And the answer is uncomfortable. It's not about public safety or legal necessity. It's about intimidation. Raising the specter of terrorism shifts the power dynamic instantly, hoping fear and uncertainty will succeed where lawful authority has failed. That move doesn't strengthen policing. It exposes its misuse.
Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse their rules and laws.
What's the purpose of your visit today here, sir?
She's wearing a defaced union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented, that she shouldn't be wearing a defaced union flag on her uniform. That Muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a Muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is Muppet a swear word? Is Muppet a swear word? Is Muppet a swear word? I'm asking you.
What's the
No.
purpose of your
So I can
visit?
call him a Muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose
Yeah?
of your visit
Can I
today?
call him a Muppet? Can I call him a Muppet? Is it a swear word? Don't be civil, I'm not your mate. Okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong. Okay?
What is
Off
the-
your pop.
What is the purpose of the visit? Just gonna wait.
What's your shoulder number? You didn't tell me your shoulder number.
I don't need to give you my
Oh, I don't need to do that now, don't I? So you're a police officer in the law, not identifying yourself. So you want to go? You don't need to search me. You need to tell me what your shoulder number is.
What began as a routine audit over a badge, a stretch of pavement, and a camera quickly exposed something far more troubling beneath the surface. Again and again, legal authority took a backseat to ego. Police powers were bent beyond their intent. Terrorism legislation was invoked without any factual foundation, and internal policies were selectively enforced when convenient. Claims of obstruction were floated but never substantiated. The common thread running through it all was pride, an unwillingness to be questioned or corrected. In sharp contrast, the auditor remained composed, precise, and anchored in the law throughout. And that's the real takeaway. Knowledge of the law isn't just a shield. It's leverage, a quiet but powerful check against overreach and misuse of authority.